Are you a beginner interested in trying out cannabis-infused recipes? Look no further. There are plenty of delicious and easy recipes for those new to cooking with cannabis. From sweet treats like brownies and cookies to savory dishes like pasta and stir-fry, there's something for everyone to enjoy. One simple way to start is by infusing butter or oil with cannabis, which can then be used in a variety of recipes. This can be done using a stovetop or a slow cooker, and once the infused base is ready, the possibilities are endless. For those with a sweet tooth, classics like chocolate chip cookies or fudgy brownies can be easily adapted to include cannabis. The key is to start with a low dosage and adjust as needed for your tolerance level. If you're more of a savory fan, why not try adding cannabis-infused oil to a pasta sauce, soup, or even a salad dressing? The subtle herbal flavor can complement a wide range of dishes. No matter your culinary preferences, there's a cannabis-infused recipe out there for you. Just remember to start low and go slow, especially if you're new to cooking with cannabis. With a little experimentation, you'll soon be enjoying tasty and satisfying infused dishes.